is April or May 1st. Today's May 1st, Wednesday. ADP non-farm payroll came out. We got a news driver at 9:45 coming out. It's only 8:10 right now, so 15 minutes out the bell. Then ISM manufacturing coming out. Then we have Fed funds rate and FOMC. So high impact news driver today. We're definitely going to scale back on the amount of contracts we have. So we're going to just go with these micros and trade at most two. And again, practice our P&L, learning P&L, and adding some skin in the game by just going with two contracts. So let's look at where we are on dollar. Came down to this fair value gap and inverse this. So we have a change tail over here. Here's one, here's two, and I expect this gap here to remain open if possible. If that can remain open, then I believe we will continue to roar up higher because I want to see a consolidation and then a fair value gap and then displacement to the upside. Um, Looking at Nasty Nas, this BISI here, I think we can get rid of it at some point. Same with this BISI here on the 4. I do believe we will come for the sell side here at some point. Um, and if this fair value gap here remains open, if we run up into like this 1 hour BISI, continue coming down, then we're definitely going to be coming for sell side here and down here as well. So we'll just add this here. And same with here, you have a low here. With ES fair value gap potentially being formed. For us having immediate rebalance, that could happen, but if we do, then we're definitely going for these lows down here. All right, so this is the hourly. Let's look at the 4. Mark out our draws on liquidity. Lots going on here. First things first is, well, we'll do that on the hourly. As we'll look at these BISIs here, we do have a breakaway gap up here on the 4 hour. You see the stage 1, stage 2, and measure this up here. Notice where we go to 2, almost 2.5. So I do believe the market maker buy model is over, which was just a small retracement into the daily. See, stage 1, I believe. This is stage 1 accumulation on a daily. Here we have a manipulation leg on the lower time frame into terminus here. So this 1 hour BISI looks it's been inversed. We'll just keep that there because we may see a run up into that today, possibly this 4 hour. Could get like a immediate rebalance, not immediate rebalance, but a run into this 1 hour BISI, as well as this being the constant encroachment of it. So we'll just keep that there. Actually, I want to. This should not be sinking. Yeah, let's keep that ugly thing in the layout. Furthermore, we have our optical trade entry, or what we call this, our fib, and we came right into equilibrium. If we reduce this to here, mean, this is almost perfect, perfect optical trade entry. But the reason why I'd reduce it is because we got to look on a daily. I think this is here Thursday. Yeah, that's the kind of the start of it. So that's why I reduced it, and this is pretty good, very good. So we're back into the lower quadrant of this range here, and if we are going to remain bearish, we want to see a run up into an inefficiency, see like a breaker continue to the downside, right? Or we can come down here, lower time frame, draw liquidity here, reverse up. So that's why I have this 4-hour BISI here. Keep that there. And this is just a measurement of this 4-hour um, manipulation leg. See where we're going here? Almost 4 standard deviations. So what does all this mean? I don't know. It's just this, when the algorithm does, it just refers back to 4 standard deviation is here. So it matches up nicely. So I do believe we can see afternoon reversal run up in here, stage 1 distribution on the 4 and continue coming down, possibly coming over here. So if that is the case, um, assuming that we measure this entire leg here, although I don't think this is the case, I think what we need to do is optical trade entry this. And well, if we're saying price is going to go all the way up here, there's no point in optical trading this, but I don't know. We'll see. Let's go to the 4-hour or 1-hour. Again, market maker model, manipulation legs. What was our recent draw on liquidity? Here we have this fair value gap here on the hourly inverse balance price range. Came down into it. Boom. Now we're running back up and up. So looks like we already broke out of this balance price range. And we do have this manipulation leg here, which we were identifying. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of run. Here we have low, high, lower, low. Expectation is we can close above here or move above here and then come back down into this order block here or breaker. See a little small inefficiency here as well as up here. Yeah, so we could keep that one there. And then we also have this one here at the last OB before the run up. So kind of our terminus over here. Let's look at this one. We have 4 standard deviations here. But I'd rather take this one here. This was the largest one. So this is what I want to pay attention to as far as our projections go. We could go all the way up to 1.5 and see our first retracement. We also have a bearish for the block here. Um, right? Do have inefficiency here, so that's all good. So again, I'm bullish for the AM session. I do want to see these highs be taken out, possibly run into this fair value gap here. But again, if you look at this OB here, everything is pointing that we have reached our terminus. That's why I'm bullish for the AM session. Oopsies. And I like how this terminus goes right into this bullish order block here. So I'm looking bullish for the AM session. What we can see is a just run up here, something like this. Draw liquidity here and go down, right? Potential AMD up here and then continue to the downside. But I don't know, we'll see. I want to sing globally, and this is a 4-hour SIBI, which will line up into nicely. This is a 1-hour, um, 1-hour BISI. I don't know why I have it like this though. I want to take it in premium up here. Yeah, this one looks better. And then this should be seen globally. And then we have from here, this swing high here to here. We can quad this. So this is 50% of that daily range. Within that first quadrant, we have, here, so we're like within, premium of this quadrant here, or this projection. So 618, possibly we could get a retracement there, which is -2. That's our reversal. And then we also have our larger, which is -1 here. So first trace. So this is the area that I'm looking for. This area. So this is like 17, 17.64 for a potential reversal. Or at least if we do go up higher, we'll go all the way up there. So market spots open in a couple of minutes. We could keep all that stuff there. All right, let's look at the 15. And then we did these projections on yesterday. Everything's pointing down to here as our terminus. So we have accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Here we took out this swing high here. Did we trace back to it? This is a breakaway gap right here. So ideally with the breakaway gaps, we can just take from here to the high and look for where -2 is, or actually -1. So I don't know, I think we can go a little bit higher than that. Notice the -1 lines up nicely with the high of this here. So we can see this is like a fulcrum. Is that what ICT says? Yeah, something like that. Mm, Lots going on here, sir. What is this? Okay, I think this is from the other chart. What is this? This is from, okay. 4 standard deviation. Okay, I got that. This here, 4, I got that as well. And order block here. Market structure, can get rid of this. Daily order block, get rid of this. 4 hour, get rid of this. And this here, Wolfram, why you over here? Okay. So this is our like accumulation of the Q4 60-minute or 6 hour cycle, which let me expects accumulation, manipulation, and run up. So I'm bullish on the day. So New York Open is here, Manhattan Open, so we're New York Open is below the Manhattan Open, so we're in a deep discount. Let's look at our A1 we have here. So we say midnight 8:30 open, 12 p.m. Well, the Eastern bullish best buys are below midnight open. Here we are. The bearish best buys are above midnight open. Buy deep discount below midnight open and New York Open. Discount below New York Open or midnight open. So we're definitely in a discount. So I'm bullish on it. I'm bullish today. So we want to look for a market maker model below or below, above or below market maker midnight open. All right, so let's narrate this really quickly. So we have an idea that we have a manipulation leg. Here's stage one. Potentially run up here, come back down. This will be stage two. On the 15. Let's see where this crack went to. -1 is one's here. 2.5 is what we expect. So if we do come close to that, draw on liquidity, like we have this 4 hour. What is this 4 hour order block? Bullish order block on the 4 hour. Where? Yeah, get rid of that. Yeah, get rid of this here. Um, but I'm saying that if we do go into one of those draws on liquidity, like the man not open, we can zoom down to the 15-second time frame, look for our last OB, extend it up, get 2.5 projection, confluence, and then be good. So got a minute left. This is on the 15. I'm not gonna lie, I like the hourly better. We do have this manipulation like here. 2.5s, expect a retracement. So that's what it looks like we get here. So this is accumulation, manipulation, potential distribution to downside. So the key here is to identify the setup. Let's put this back on the one and just practice looking at the five until we get to an area where we'll see now if it's strong liquidity. Look how we came down into this fair value gap here. I'll take this. Oh, what the fuck just happened? Hold on, let me figure out what just happened. Took a $65 loss. I'm not sure how that's possible, but whatever. New driver coming out in a couple of minutes. I want to get out this position for like break even, correcting the drawdown that we had from this morning. New driver coming out, so although we are looking pretty bullish, this is just a stage one. I'll tell you what, let's buy here. All right, so we're out there. And so we are break even on the day, not including commission costs, but commissions on like you get like 5 trades in, it'd be one handle, one mini handle. So I do believe we're gonna move up higher. This is more so an option play, so let me put an option position in before paper trade. Let's go to weekly call. Shucks, I don't think I'm gonna get here on time. This is 3:45 on Tuesday. I'm just gonna wing it. 4:24 call. Come on. This news just came out. No explosive price action. Ooh, nice little Model 14. So this is just consolidation, moving sideways. We're going into Q3 now. Um, this thing here we can get rid of. And this 15-minute fair value gap is still holding. I don't see any setups though. Yeah, we read up inverse this. We got kind of like that going on. But yeah, I don't. Other than that, I don't see anything that's pressing. So I'm gonna set an alert here and set an alert here. So these are the obvious next draws on liquidity. This is also Asia. The London highs here. which I want a price to take out, but just wasn't trying to go there. So I'll be back. I gotta walk this off. All right, I'm back. There's really nothing happening right now. We barely nicked this London high. Now we're retracing back. Stage one, stage two, accumulation, manipulation, distribution to the downside. That's what I feel like. But we're in a discount on a higher time frame. And I kind of don't want to see that, so I'm not taking this trade. Right, so we have a bull short block here. Bull short block. Stage one. Let's mark this out. This is a good buy though, down here. OB. So we could very well come back down here. I'll have to go try to enter this run up. Uh, Maybe during Q4. So let's take a look here. This depth does look like accumulation manipulation. Let's take these. Also low, high, lower, low. 2.5 is here. Huh, we'll see. I'll be back. back. Looks like we're just gonna be accumulating until we can get to like a Q4 quarterly shift. So anticipate a setup happening right now. We also have 10 o'clock news driver. So we're just fire accumulating, waiting for that. Again, I'm not trading when those high impact news drivers come out. That's a no-go for me, unless it's like an option play, which allows for a little bit more wiggle room. Right now we're up 4% on that options play. I have a call at 424. All right, so it looks like that's a node alert. 424 is like right here. So basically filling in that gap. So this 15, I don't know, got inverse, but again, new driver coming out, so we got 5 minutes. Want to see a move down here. This is like a 15-minute order block as well. So we could see a strong move down here. Do you have any projections going on there? Almost. Let's look on the one. This certainly isn't it. If we take that one, we get some confluence with this here. So we'll see. This is like, stay away. There's nothing clean here. That's why we stay on the 5, because, or even the 15. Let's look at the hourly. Yeah, I got a lot of mess going on here. Here's the hourly push. Let me, so we'd have been down bad here. Going for these lows on here. Let's see. So here we are coming into discount. Optical trading should be here. I want to see it go a little bit lower. And so it lines up nicely. So I'll put a, we got news coming out in 3 minutes, so just wait. So I'm saying just wait. Let's swap these out. This is where I would actually be interested in going in, so. Wait, what? No. This is a paper trade account. As a matter of fact, let's look at the Leap account. Uh, this is SPY. I forget which one it is though. I don't think they'll allow me to buy this. AMX. SPX 50. This one here. Thank you. Yeah, this is what I want to buy. Stop loss below here. I'll come back for the take profit. See? Boom. Inverse. News coming out. There's a lot of news come out first, and we could take it. Came right down to this order block, as I suspected. Let's look at the 15 on this one. Take the last one here. Change the color. 1.52. Ideally, it's down here. But this is optical trend entry, so close enough. We could even look at this one here. Here we go. Stage 1, stage 2, boom. Stage 1, stage 2, accumulation, boom. Inverse. There's our news. New York opening, I guess, support. If we were to get in here, below this low is decent, although we could take it. Yeah, yeah. So we're out of this position here. Here's a 5, come back down. This is bull short block here. Optical trend entry. Still got a minute left. For this to be our change, instead delivery on the 1, puts us way up here. Well, way up here in this thing up here. I think this is on the hourly. So there's nothing here. Again, add alert here, but I don't see anything. So so we are in a new 10 o'clock cycle, a new hourly cycle, which is this. Hmm. So there's gonna be a change in state delivery. I was expecting to be bullish, but maybe not. Maybe we'll just come for these lows on here. You dig? Here we're just frozen. Let me get out of this position. Down bad today. Yikes. So we're going for sell side down here. All right. So we have Q4 here. For this to be like our manipulation leg. Stage one, break that. Stage two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 15 minutes. Definitely we're gonna come for these lows on here. If I were to take a short here in a super discount, this is a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. I don't like that. This is 1 to 6. Or still 1-to-1 basically. I don't like that either. So which one are we going with here? If we were to get in for a call, that's better, but again, I don't see any clean market maker models or sell model, so that means we're gonna probably be bullish. Because if we have an ugly sell model, then we're gonna have a nice buy model. And let's see what we got right here. This might be it though. The long position. So we have this here. Accumulation, manipulation, maybe. Damn, this one here goes down perfectly. Too bad I didn't catch it. I was looking at other stuff on my screen. That's why I didn't catch it. But a 5-minute training state delivery would be nice. Closing over this body here. 11 seconds left. Where are you going? All right, so we got that training state delivery. I'll take a call here. want to go below this bullish order block here. Come right down to discount. Fair value gap, bullish order block. Oof, this would have been a nice one. So should have measured that one out. Yeah, it's all good though. Okay, that's it for me. We just had a smaller retracement that was expected. I do believe we're gonna continue moving up higher. We came to optical trade entry. That's why I took that short position. But I think that short position is obviously short-lived, and I do believe we're gonna continue moving up higher. So if you want, you can put one on. Uh, Really depends on when we get in. It would have to be a close above here for me to think about getting in, and I'm only risking 10 points. And we could come up here, see size. So this New York Open. All right, so we're in a new quarterly shift, Q4, 10:30. That's how we're looking. Drop down below here. Let's see if we can close above where we opened up at on the hourly, which for this micro is like way up here, right? So the price action is just not the best. We have an order block right here that lines up, 5-minute order block right here. But the price action just isn't sexy, right? And it's probably because we have a news driver at 2 in the afternoon, 2:30, so it might just be like that. And we could stick around and, press buttons and exhaust ourselves just looking at this. Watch it just takes off. Quarterly shift here. Q2, Q1's here. And I don't know. I'm not gonna take this. So let me just log out of this account here because I feel myself. So we're up $84 on a day. Not bad. I feel myself just dazing off. If anything, we'll just come back in the afternoon session. After that news impact driver comes out. That way we can preserve mental capital and keep our head in the game. So with that said, we can just watch this paint dry. But I'm done for right now. So, ooh, good thing we didn't go in for a call. So this is valid. You got in valid. It's just, I just, I can't do this. It's up, down, up, down. It's exhausting. So There's look how we come right down to this bullish order block right here. There's better opportunities out there, and this one isn't one that I want to work for. So, with that said, I'm going to cut the recording. We can always come back and look at this, but this is, oh, you know what we can do to satisfy your urge to trade for P&L. How many are they going to give me? I'll trade 5. TP's up here. I think the goal is like 1,000, 2,000. Yeah, put my stop loss below here, just below this bull short block. If we do come down, probably come back down there. So, how many points is this? Oh, it's not even points. But yeah, there we go, taking off. So, I was right. Uh, Too bad I didn't stick to it, but again, preserving mental capital was the name of the game. And yeah, we'll refresh and come back for another. Uh, just for the hell of it, we'll come back for another opportunity some other time. Remember, the market will always give you an opportunity to buy. Don't call this anything. Let's get rid of it. I don't care. All right, peace.